Thank you so much for checking in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. If you need roadside assistance in Canada for your Mitsubishi, the phone number is 1-888-576-4878. Just wanted to give you that phone number right away. You can also find it in description. If you need it, stop watching the video, call them right away and get going. So in this video, we'll go a little bit more in detail what exactly the roadside assistance will cover, and we'll check all the cars, Gas Outlander, PHEV, RVR, Eclipse Cross, Mirage. We'll show you where to find your tools, spare tires and everything else. So if you're interested in that, keep watching the video. If you just needed a phone number, there you go. Again, it's 1-888-576-4878. Call them, they'll look after you. Now, the roadside assistance is on your all new Outlanders and all the other Mitsubishis for 5 years, unlimited kilometers. So even if you have your vehicle for 4 years and you already put 200,000 kilometers, it will still be on as a service for you. So 5 years, unlimited kilometers, unless you have any different type of extensions that you purchase through the dealership, but by standard, that's what you get. And the question is, what does it all cover? So there are a few most common things that might happen on the road that will be covered. So number one, if your vehicle totally breaks down, it'll be towed to the nearest Mitsubishi authorized dealership. You can't start the vehicle, something real bad happened, engine, transmission, whatever, it'll get towed at no expense to you. So Mitsubishi is going to cover that. Then you have, let's say, jump start the vehicle. Your 12-volt battery is dead, doesn't start. Your tow truck is going to come here, jump start your vehicle as well. So very good service. And to get boosted, that's a fairly common thing. So you're covered for that. Next, exchange of the flat tire or a tire sealant repair kit. So they can come over to your place where you're at and they can exchange your flat tire with your spare tire, or if you have one of those sealant things that we're going to check in a sec for the Outlander PHEV, they can help you to repair that. So if you're afraid to touch your flat tire, that's okay. Just call roadside assistance and they will come fix that for you. Then emergency gas delivery. You run out of gas. That happens sometimes too. So again, call them. They'll come with extra gas, and we'll make sure that you go to the nearest gas station and fill up the gas in full. And also, if you locked your keys in, you can't get in your vehicle, and it's locked, your keys are in there. Again, you can call them and get that sorted out. By the way, I want to show you a little trick. Every Mitsubishi has this sticker on the driver's side window with Mitsubishi Motors and this phone number 1-888-576-4878. This is the roadside assistance. So you have always that number right there. You can call them, they'll look after you. If you have this Mitsubishi Connect services, so that will be for subscription and a little bit more oriented towards the Outlanders and PHEV. If you have that, then you also have this SOS button. We're gonna have a look at that here in a sec, and that is a pretty cool thing. So if you're in a cabin, you press that, you activate it, and it calls the customer service right away, or the emergency response center, they call them. The agent will assist you to dispatch the emergency services to your vehicle location, and they can pinpoint your location based on the vehicle GPS, so they'll know exactly where you are. This is very important if you get into those big accidents, or you don't know where you are. You don't need to explain that, hey, I drove this road, turn left, I don't know where I am. You just click that button, they'll know exactly where you are. And if you've been in one of those nasty accidents, that will come very handy. Any questions basically if you have about the roadside assistance coverage and how it works, what's covered, or maybe even if you're planning a trip somewhere, give them a call. Same phone number, 1-888-57-4878. You can call them. It's not like 911 where you call them only if you have an emergency. You can call them, friendly people. They'll help you, they'll talk to you, and they'll clarify everything that you might want to know. But right now, let's check out all the cars a little bit up closer. PHEV, Outlander, Eclipse Cross, RVR, Mirage. Let's check out where the tools are for the spare tires, where the spare tires are, and everything else. So right now we're in a gas Outlander Noir, and I just wanted to show you that SOS button. So that's right here. So this button, you can open it up like this, and this is where you can press the red button. Seems very important. So, but it's under this cover, so that way you can't really kind of press it by accident. If you press it by accident, you'll just open it up, and this is where you press the button, then it'll connect to emergency services. So again, this is for those nasty ones. You can connect right away with them, super easy. They'll see where your vehicle is. And even if you need just your regular roadside assistance, instead of calling, you can just press the button and they'll connect you with your customer service. You just need to be subscribed for that. So it's not like all the cars are covered, all the cars are covered for regular roadside assistance, but this one here is a premium service. And I have all the keys for all those cars. Now let's go and check them out one by one. So we will start with the Outlander PHEV. This one here is GT trim level, and I just want to show you again, like this one has this number right here with the sticker. Super easy to remember that you always have that number right there, just in case of emergencies. You always want to know where the number is, and it's a very, very convenient location. Okay, so PHEV and Outlander is a little bit different because you don't have full-size spare tire. You have these tire sealant kits. And we'll check out the gas Outlander in a bit, but for the PHEV, you have it here underneath this cover right here. And this is where you can find it. You have this sealant kit right here. You have these tow hooks, and you have this wrench that's put into this cover right here. So if you ever need to change a tire, this is going to be helpful. You'll need it. This is what you get. And then you have the sealant. So again, you can use it by following the instructions on how to install it, or you can call the roadside assistance. They'll come to your car, and then they'll actually use this to repair your tire. So Outlander, gas Outlander is a little bit trickier than the PHEV, because in a PHEV, the way we saw it, it was just that like square that's super easy to access. With gas Outlander, a little bit more steps. For the easiest operation to find your tire sealant kit, you have to kind of like take all the stuff out from the trunk. That'll give you the best access. So let's just do it for sake of example right now. So I'll just remove everything here, and I'll fold these seats flat. Okay, so you also have this plastic thing that you have to remove, and now you have this. So because this one is the upgraded trim level, you have the subwoofer right here, so it may or may not have it. Now you want to like pull these strips to release the seats, and if it's pushing against the that side, you have to move forward the seats like this. Okay. Now we will have free access to lift them up like this. There we go. And now we can see where the sealant is. We have the compressor here, and we have easy access to your tools. And on the gas Outlander, we also have this plastic tube. If you ran out of gas, you can fill up quite conveniently. There's no real life spare tire, so if you're going off-roading or somewhere like deep in the forests and whatnot, where there's like no coverage of like cell phone, and emergency vehicles won't be able to come and rescue that easily, that's just something to keep in mind. Maybe it's worth to keep an extra spare tire with you. So now we're done with the Outlander. I'll put all this back, and then we'll check out an Eclipse Cross. Eclipse Cross, super easy. You just take all the stuff out of trunk, you lift this up, or you remove it completely, the cover, and you have everything you need. So this one here, full-size spare tire. You have the jack here, you have the tools there, everything's there that you might need. Very, very easy. Let's check out the RVR. Same deal with RVR, very, very easy. Just remove the cover, and it's right here. Full-size spare tire, and we have the jack, the tools, everything's there at your disposal right away. Last thing but not least, Mirage. Now Mirage is a sneaky little car. So you have the jack underneath the driver's seat right here, so we can see it where it is. And if you ever need to remove it, it's quite simple. So you just slide the driver's seat all the way forward like this, and then from here, from the passenger, you can reach in there and you can remove it. And the spare tire is in the trunk. Here, again, remove the cover, and you have a full-size spare tire and the tools right next to it. Very easy to operate. You just need to know where the jack is, otherwise ready to go. So, okay, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope it's helpful. Now you know the phone number where to call. You know the location of the spare tire sealants and everything else. Hopefully you never will need the roadside assistance, but just in case you might, so there you go. So you will have this helpful information. So thank you so much for checking out this video, and see you next time around. That was a little bit more eights. 1888. Let's do it again. Just come here. The amigo is gonna tow your car wherever you need it.
You see?
The Colombian mobster.